passive income ideas for designers who need more cash in 2020. Passive income for designers who are willing to put in the work can make business extremely exciting. Imagine not having to figure out how to get graphic design clients over and over again every month. Picture a world where at least a portion of your design income is reliable and predictable. It can be freeing. Passive income for designers can mean a nice low-maintenance addition to their current design revenue every month. Some designers have even mastered the art of passive income so well their entire business is built on it. Typically, learning how to make passive income as a graphic designer can be difficult, frustrating, time-intensive, and more work than any designer expects. After all, the term passive income for designers seems so dreamy, right? Just sit back and collect a paycheck every month without any real work. The truth about passive income, for designers at least, is that it takes a lot of upfront work and monthly maintenance, but can also pay huge dividends if done well. If you're looking for ideas of passive income for designers, then you're in the right place. I've compiled my best ideas from my own experience running a design business, plus ideas from some really smart fellow freelancers, and compiled all the ideas below. Hello, I'm Akash Shah, creator and owner of Designer Cave. My aim is to help you become the best designer that you can be, with comprehensive graphic design tutorials across the Adobe Creative Suite, as well as speed art videos and much more. Let's get jump in the video. Number 1. Upcycle unused design elements for passive income. As you go about your client work as a designer every week, you undoubtedly have leftover, unused design elements that ultimately get scrapped and discarded. But thinking strategically about passive income as a designer means instead of throwing away those unused designs, you should consider upcycling them. Number 2. Develop design products that you know will make passive income. One of the most common ways of generating passive income for designers is by selling design elements or resources on marketplaces like Creative Market or Design Cuts. And the smartest and the easiest path to passive income for designers is to look at what's already working in these design marketplaces and improving on popular items there. There's no special award or merit badge you get for inventing some sort of new product that's never existed. In fact, it's probably the easiest way to fail because there's no way to verify it makes money. Seeing what's popular on something like Creative Market allows you to confidently make something and see what's doing well and improve upon that to make money. In other words, if you're going to take the time and effort required to design something from scratch in the hopes that it makes passive income at some point, you should do your homework and make sure it's something that will actually sell. Number 3. Teach what you know as a designer and sell it for passive income. You may not realize it, but as a designer, you've got a giant arsenal of special skills and talents that not many people have but a lot of people want. It can be easy, if you spend most of your days hanging out on graphic design blogs or other design communities, to forget that most people aren't designers. This knowledge gap provides an excellent opportunity for you to teach what you know via some sort of online course, ebook, or other learning platform. Just create it once and sell it over and over again. That's passive income at its finest. Sites like Udemy and Skillshare not only allow designers and others to learn just about anything they want, but also lets designers create their own courses to generate passive income. Number 4. Recommend resources to your clients that generate passive income. Another less common but brilliant source of passive income for designers with clients is recommending certain services to your clients that then include an affiliate payout for you as the designer. For example, maybe you're a web designer looking for passive income. Instead of telling your clients they can sign up for web hosting wherever they choose, perhaps you could recommend or even require that they sign up with a host that provides quality service and also has a nice affiliate program. If you're a WordPress designer looking for passive income, you could recommend sites like HandyWP, who would then give you a percentage of your client's monthly fee for the life of any customer you send them. Since you're likely recommending hosting, maintenance, or marketing tools to your clients on a regular basis anyway, why not generate a bit more passive income while you're at it? Number 5. Build an audience to grow your passive income. Of course, if you really like the referral affiliate model, mentioned above as a way of generating passive income as a designer, then you could take it to the next level by building some sort of larger audience. Not to spoil the fun here or anything, but that's exactly what I'm doing with this video post right now, kind of meta, isn't it? So, when we link to a resource like Creative Market or Bluehost, like we did above, and people click through and make a purchase, we get a small kickback. That passive income allows us to continue generating high-quality content for designers on a regular basis, and you can do something similar. Growing an audience is definitely not the quickest route to passive income for designers, but can have nice long-term benefits if you're willing to work hard and be patient. Number 6. Become an affiliate for your favorite design resources. If there's a certain resource you find yourself constantly recommending to fellow designers, you might want to consider becoming an affiliate for that resource. Similar to the two tactics above, generating passive income by recommending tools to clients or a larger audience, referring fellow designers to helpful tools can be a nice way to generate passive income for designers. For example, did you know you can get an affiliate payout for recommending Adobe products to your friends and fellow designers? Or you can sign up to get paid by Amazon anytime a friend buys that perfectly designed coffee mug you just won't stop talking about. In addition, as I've already mentioned above, you can sign up for Creative Market's affiliate program, so when fellow designers ask for help finding that perfect background texture, you can send them an affiliate link and build some passive income. And if you learned something new from today's video, make sure to subscribe. Now it's your turn. Which tactic from today's video are you gonna try first? Are you going to recommend resources to your clients that generate passive income? Or are you going to teach what you know as a designer and sell it for passive income? Let me know by leaving your comment down below right now. Meet at the next video. Until then, keep creating.